If you've ever gotten a roll of ready-to-bake cinnamon rolls, it clearly says on there, do not microwave.
But you can. And we're going to show you how. You'll first want to open your roll of cinnamon rolls. Just take one of your cinnamon rolls, put it in a ramekin or a small bowl, and cover it with icing, however much you want. Don't go overboard though. Now microwave it for 30 seconds. The cinnamon rolls you make in the microwave will be slightly different than oven baked. It won't have an outer crust. Instead, it'll be fluffy, doughy, chewy deliciousness.